Alright, 2008 Honda Accord, 160,000 miles. This was the car I came to see, and what a letdown. The paint is absolutely failing on this car. I mean, it is toast. Can you see all that discoloration? Clear coat failure. I mean, scratches. I mean, it's rough to the touch. Now, the rest of the car doesn't look that bad. The rear bumper looks bad. Oh, God. Yeah, I don't know if it's been repainted before and it was a bad paint job. Or, you know, these Hondas, they just have bad paint in general. Sometimes. It's a clean car, though. Cloth upholstery looks good. Oh, it's got a nasty crack in the windshield. Shit. But it's clean. You know, all the touch points are pretty clean. Other than just a little surface dust. Let's crank her up. Oh, yeah. Oh, she runs great. See if she's got any AC. Got a little gas. We'll take her out for a spin. I mean, if it sells cheap enough, I'll bid. Because somebody will buy it, even if it has crappy paint. I mean, because it's a clean car, you know? Now, I could never drive it because the damn seat doesn't go back far enough for me. Yeah, this car is very, very minty. The paint sucks, but the inside and the engine and transmission, A1, buddy. A1. Let's see if we got cold air. Oh, yeah, we do. Woo! Man, you just can't beat a Honda Accord, especially this generation. What generation is this? The 08 through about what, guys? 08 through about 15 or 16? Oh, yeah, I'm spinning the tires. Come on, baby. You got it. Oh, yeah, this thing's perfect mechanically. This needs to be my daily driver is what this needs to be. Because I don't give a shit about the paint, but I like this clean interior. I mean, this thing is clean. And smooth as glass. Cold air. Just a good cleanup job. I wouldn't even get the windshield replaced. It's not even that bad to me. It's just out of the line of sight. It's just above where you need to look. Oh, that paint looks horrible, though. That is such a shame. Got a good set of hand-cooked tires. Lots of tread. Looks good under the hood. We got a very small battery, but it looks new. I like these because these are timing chain cars, man. Honda had gone to a timing chain by this point. Yeah, shame about the paint, because it sure does run good. Dadgum. I mean, just clean. Just needs a little vacuum. That's all it needs. Just a little vacuum. Oh, they did have a car seat. You can see that, but that'll clean right up. Dadgummit. Dirt paint. So far, I'm digging the Ultima the best out of what I've looked at today. Let's see. Lane C. This thing was in a weird spot. Let's see. It's with the Honda dealership. This is a Honda trade-ins. We've got government sale, but we don't have too many cars. They're lined up here on the left. Like I said, we don't have many. Let's see. This might be. Let's see, is this long? Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.